Well, CivicLex is wrapping up their Civic Artist Residency Program in partnership with LFUCG.
Joining us now to tell us more about the program is Megan Gulla, Director of Programming for CivicLex.
Hey, how are you all?
Yes. So tell us a little bit about CivicLex overall.
So CivicLex is a local civic education organization focused on educating residents in Lexington about how local government works here, specifically in Lexington, and then also helping them get involved if they want to get involved. So we kind of give you the tools to do it and then help you get out there and do whatever it is you want to accomplish.
And tell us about this Artist in Residence program.
So this is a 13-month-long Artist in Residence program that kind of puts artists within different departments in LFUCG. So we have Deborah Falk, who was on here a minute ago. She's a comedian and she is in the Social Services department. And then we have Anthony Gilmore, Tony, who's a filmmaker, and he's in Environmental Quality and Public Works. And then Hannah Allen is a quilter and she's in finance. So they were all kind of installed in these departments and kind of got to run wild, just whatever ideas they wanted to do that addressed celebrating city employee work and also kind of addressing stuck aspects of that work of like how could we maybe communicate things differently in a way that residents better understand it or engage more with it. So it's just kind of how can art be injected into local government and kind of like use creativity to stir things up a little bit.
Yeah, what are some examples of them being able to do this?
So Tony ended up doing, he made a board game about sort of the Environmental Quality and Public Works department. So it's kind of a collaborative game that's, you think of something like Pandemic, which is, we don't want to think of Pandemic, but if you've ever played the game, you play it together and you work together to solve a problem. So it's the same sort of thing. So with Tony, it's like a water main broke in Lexington. How can you work together to fix it? And he's got all these different characters of actual people within city government. So we really thought that was cool. We thought he would do a film, but kind of like just switch gears and really did something amazing. And then Hannah worked on a series of quilts that sort of through fabric and through patterns demonstrated how money is spent in Lexington and where that money goes to in programs. So really cool educational like quilting project there. And then Deborah, of course, did improv workshops within various like programs within social services. So she did an improv workshop with the Elder Crafters, worked a lot with the Elder Crafters at the Black and Williams Community Center, and then the Bell House and the Senior Center, and just other programs throughout. So injecting comedy into local government, which is not something they do usually.
Right. Everything, all these ideas are great ways to educate everybody, right?
Absolutely.
And then you're also having a celebration this Friday as well?
Yes, so kind of to celebrate all of that work and as kind of the culmination of the program, we're going to be hosting a celebration at the Downtown Art Center during Gallery Hop. So our event is from 5 to 8, and so we just invite anyone who wants to see all of this work and come out and meet the artists and talk to them about their process. Yeah, Downtown Art Center, which is right downtown across from the library. 5 to 8 p.m. there's going to be refreshments, more art. There's a show going on there as well. So art is throughout the whole building. And again, you'll be able to see all of their works and just hang out and have a good time.
All right. Well, thank you very much. We appreciate you
Thank
so much
you. Thanks
being
for
here
having me
with us.
and letting me talk about it.
Yeah.
And we're glad to let you. Seems like a lot.
Right, it does.
Yeah. All right.